I am starting my morning with sanding these greenhouse windows. I have them all stored in my art studio, and there's about 30 of them to get through. So, like I said in my previous video, they've all been scraped and hardware removed, window panes, window footings, everything out. I'm going to sand them down as far to the raw wood as I can, just bringing out a couple at a time. Don't want them spiders to get into the little crevices and make homes before I can get to them. So that's what I'll be doing today. Not sure how many I'll get through, but I'm gonna move fast. I want to show you this first window. It's sanded down really nicely. See this area? The rabbit, I believe it's called. It's able to get those really clean. The other side. It's almost like a new frame. Yeah, I'm really pleased. I hope all the windows are as nice as this one. All right, 29 more to go. I wanted to pause from sanding for a minute and show you this window that I just finished. It is by far the prettiest. Very clean. I'm excited to paint this one. The wood looks minimally damaged. No mold or rot. Definitely the best window so far. Man, I wish all my windows looked this good. But you work with what you got, and I'll whip them up into shape.